Hi all, this is Disha Shukla and welcome to the session. In this session, we are going to discuss about the Wi-Fi security threats. So, the mobile computing is the communication between the computing device without a physical connection between them through a wireless network, which means there are some of the new mobile security issues that are originated from wireless security issues. The security issues and the threats of a mobile computing can be divided into two categories, like security issues that are related to the transmission of information over the wireless network and the issues that are related to the information and data residing on the mobile devices. So, starting with the first one is confidentiality. Now, preventing an unauthorized user from gaining the access to the critical information of any particular user is called confidentiality. So, this is an important thing that you need to do, like you have to provide confidentiality to each and everything, because if an unauthorized user gets in access to some critical information, then it can be harmful. The next threat is integrity. Integrity ensures that an unauthorized modification, destruction, or creation of any information does not take place. That is, it complements the confidentiality. That is, it ensures that an unauthorized modification, creation, or destruction of any information does not take inside the network. Third is availability. Now, availability is something that ensures the authorized users getting the access they require. That is, that if some user who is an authorized user, he should be getting an proper access to the data he wants. So that is called availability. The next is called legitimate. It ensures that only the authorized users have the access to the services. Then comes accountability. Accountability ensures that the users are held responsible for their security related activities by arranging the user and his or her activities are linked so that if and when it is necessary, the user can find out the activities he has gone through, and making the user responsible for the security related threats. The security issues that are related to the wireless network happened by the interceptions of the radio signal by the hackers and by non-management of its network entirely by the user, because most of the wireless networks are dependent on the other private networks which are managed by others. So the user has less control of the security procedures. There are some of the main security issues of mobile computing which are introduced by using the wireless networks. One of them is denial of service or the DOS attack. Now, it is one of the common attacks of all kinds of the networks, and especially in the wireless network, which means that the prevention of the users from using the network services is done by sending large amount of unneeded data or connection request to the communication server by an attacker, which can cause slow network and therefore the user cannot benefit from the use of its service. Traffic analysis. It is identifying and monitoring the communication between the users through listening to the traffic flowing in the wireless channel. Now, in order to access to the private information of the users that can be badly used by the attackers, traffic analysis is very important. The next is called eavesdropping. Eavesdropping is something wherein the attacker can be logged to the wireless network and can get access to the sensitive data. Now, this happens if the wireless and the network it was not enough secure, and also the information was not encrypted. Session interception and message modification is again something that is a part of eavesdropping. Its interception. It intercepts the session and modifies the transmitted data in the session by the attacker through the scenario which is called the man in the middle, which inserts the attacker's host between the sender and the receiver. The next type of threat is called the spoofing. The attacker is impersonating an authorized account of another user to access the sensitive data and unauthorized services. That is, a particular user is not himself authorized, but it will be impersonating to be an authorized user, and hence he will be using the services that are not provided actually to him. The next type of a problem is called the captured and retransmission message. Now, it can get some of the network services to attacker by getting the unauthorized access through capturing a total message and replaying it with some modification to the same destination or the another. The next is device security. Now, some of the device security issues related problems are also there, but it says that mobile devices are vulnerable to the new types of security attacks and vulnerable to the thefts, not because we get these devices itself, but because we get the sensitive data that exists within its device. Mobile computing, like any computer software, may damage the malware such as virus, spyware and Trojan. A virus is a real part of malicious software, and spyware is gathering information about the user without his knowledge. Some of the new mobile computing security issues introduced here include pull attack. In a pull attack, the attacker controls the device as a source of data by any attacker which obtained the data by the device itself. The next is the push attack. It creates a malicious code at the mobile device by attacker, and he may spread it to affect on the other elements of the network. The next is the forced deauthentication. The author or the attacker convinces the mobile endpoint to drop its connection and reconnect to get a new signal. Then he inserts his device between a mobile device and the network. Multi-protocol communication. Multi-protocol communication is something that is introduced in the forced deauthentication. Now again, it is the ability of many mobile devices to operate using multiple protocols. For example, cellular providers network protocol, most of the protocols have a security holes, which helps the attackers to exploit their weakness and access the device. Next is mobility. The mobility of the user and their data that would introduce security threats are determined in the location of a user. So it may be replicated, or it must be replicated of the user profiles at different locations to allow roaming via different places without any concern regarding the access to the personal and sensitive data in a place at any time, but the repetition of the sensitive data on different sites that increases of the security threats. And the last threat is disconnection. When the mobile devices crosses different places, it occurs a frequent disconnection caused by the external party and hence resulting into the handoff. So these are different types of the Wi-Fi security threats that we face. If you have any question in it, you can ask. Until then, keep learning.